You're tired of uploading and seeing no progress toward monetization. Your watch hours are stuck. Your shorts aren't converting to subscribers. And every creator online is telling you something different. So let's stop the confusion. If you want to get monetized fast, before 2026, there's only one strategy that small creators are using right now. And it works even if you have 0 views, 0 subscribers, and 0 budget. It's the combination of shorts plus long form, used in the right order, at the right time, with the right content structure. This one system is pushing small creators into monetization in weeks, not months, not years, weeks. And today, I'm giving you the full step-by-step plan. Before we start, here's what you need to understand. YouTube changed the partner program in a way that actually helps small creators. Here are the 2 ways to get monetized. Option 1. 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. Or Option 2. 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million shorts views. Which is harder but still possible. Most creators try one or the other. Smart creators use both. Shorts bring subscribers fast. Longform builds watch hours consistently. When you combine them, you hit monetization before you even realize it. Shorts are the easy entry point into monetization, not because of watch time, but because of subscriber conversion. Here's how to use shorts to hit 1,000 subscribers quickly. Make shorts that solve tiny problems. Short, fast, value-packed, and instantly satisfying. Micro problems, micro answers, fast engagement. Post 2 to 3 shorts. Every week, consistency beats volume. Shorts work like lottery tickets. The more targeted ones you have, the faster you grow. Use the same topic you want to grow with. Don't make random shorts. Your shorts should help feed your long-form content. Same niche, same tone, same energy. Add a soft CTA. Not subscribe to my channel. Instead, if you want the full breakdown, check my latest long-form video. This leads viewers exactly where we need them. Shorts help you hit 1,000 subs. Long-form helps you hit 4,000 hours. And here's the part most creators miss. You do not need a viral long-form video. To get monetized, you need bingeable long-form videos. Create 8 to 12-minute videos. This is the sweet spot for small creators. Not too long, not too short. Perfect for building retention, plus watch time. Solve one clear problem. Choose topics that beginners are searching for, have low competition, have high retention potential. Use the open loop technique. Tell viewers what they'll learn later in the video. And at the end, I'll show you the part nobody talks about. This alone can increase retention by 20 to 40%. Link your shorts to your long-form video. If every short sends 1 to 5 people to a long-form video, your watch hours grow passively, every day, without extra effort. Now, this is how creators are hitting monetization fast. Week 1 to 4. Plan. Post 2 shorts per week. Post 1 long-form video per week. Shorts brings new subscribers, new eyeballs, algorithm signals. Long-form brings high watch time, binge sessions, retention growth. Over time, your shorts audience spills into your long-form content, boosting watch hours automatically. This is why creators with only 500 to 800 views on long-form videos still hit 4,000 hours, because viewers binge multiple videos in one session. If you want to go even faster, here's the advanced strategy. Create a short, long-form, playlist funnel. It looks like this. Short, teases topic. Long-form, explains topic. Playlist connects 3 to 5 long-form videos. YouTube loves playlists because they increase session time. They keep viewers watching your videos. They boost watch hours. Fast. A viewer watching 3 of your 10-minute videos is already 30 minutes of retention from one person. Repeat that across multiple viewers, and your watch hours skyrocket. So if you want to get monetized before 2026, you can. You don't need to go viral. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need a system that works in your favor. Shorts get you subscribers. Longform gets you watch hours. Playlists accelerate everything. Post with purpose. Connect your content. And let the algorithm push your channel instead of fighting against it. If this helped you, hit like and comment below. How close are you to getting monetized right now? Because once you use this strategy, you're closer than you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to someone that needs this information. See you in the next video.